Quick guide to Facebook Ads Manager. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick and clear overview of Facebook Ads Manager. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you've ever wondered how businesses target you so precisely on Facebook or Instagram, it's all happening inside Facebook Ads Manager. It's the central hub where advertisers create, manage, and track all their campaigns. Whether you're promoting a post or launching a full-scale ad campaign, this is where the magic happens. What makes Ads Manager powerful is the level of control you get. You can choose exactly who sees your ad based on things like age, location, interests, behaviors, even specific pages they follow. You also get to set your own budget, decide where your ads appear, and track performance in real time. There are different levels to creating an ad: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Each level gives you a different control. Campaign is where you set your goal, what you want to achieve. Ad sets help you define your audience and budget. And ads are what the user actually sees, your image, video, or carousel. That's all for the video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and smart marketing tips. See you in the next one.